The current minimum legal drinking age in the United States is 21. This came into effect in 1984 with the passing of the National Minimum Drinking Age Act, which required all states to enforce a minimum legal drinking age of 21 or risk losing 10% of all federal highway construction funds. The act was passed in response to increased motor vehicle fatalities following declines in minimum legal drinking ages in the 1970s. The restriction has been widely debated, with groups such as Choose Responsibility and the Amethyst Initiative advocating youth civic freedoms. These freedoms include the right to vote, marry, and serve in the armed forces at age 18. Opponents of the act also point to the reality of the current situation as an argument for lowering the legal minimum drinking age. According to John McCardle, director of the Amethyst Initiative, students have restricted access to publicly moderated drinking environments and therefore model their drinking behavior after the excessive consumption typical of private student parties. This encourages dangerous drinking habits such as binge drinking and does little to teach students to drink responsibly. Still others point to minimum legal drinking age requirements around the globe as a justification for reducing the legal drinking age here in the United States, though this argument disregards the higher prevalence of alcohol-related outcomes in European countries with lower drinking ages. It is often presented to show the asymmetry of American drinking laws. To hear from those most affected by the law, I asked students of Northeastern University to weigh in on the debate.
I think the drinking age is an arbitrary limit, and that provided that people are more responsible, which is debatable, I don't know, works in England, go for it.
I think that it's 18 in the UK, and that's where I've lived, and it was perfectly fine there, so I don't see why it should be 21.
All the other countries, it's like 18 or 19, and you guys can drive by the age of 16 and a half. Why not drink at 18?
It's unfair that people our age in other countries can drink and we can't.
I disagree with the drinking age being 21 because I think it's ridiculous that you're able to vote and go to war and fight in the military, but you're apparently not responsible enough to drink.
The drinking age should definitely be 21. Kids are way too irresponsible younger than